Ladies and gentlemen, we are ready for handing over of the FCI flag to the next organizing country of the World Dog Show.
Mesdames et messieurs, nous pouvons ouvrir cette cérémonie de clôture du World Dog Show 2023.
And we would like to invite to the main ring for the closing ceremony the president of the organizing team of the World Dog Show 2023.
Monsieur Laurent Pichard.
The show manager of the World Dog Show 2023.
Madame Barbara Müller.
The president of the Swiss Kennel Club.
Monsieur Hans Sulibert.
The president of the FCI.
Dr Tamas Yakel.
The president of the Croatian Kennel Club.
Monsieur Branko Šare.
And the general secretary of the Croatian Kennel Club.
Monsieur Bojan Matakovic.
And we will have the FCI flag go down. The FCI flag is being handed over to the president of the organizing committee of the World Dog Show Geneva 2023, Mr. Laurent Pichard.
It's a great pleasure for me to thank all exhibitors, all public. I think we have been going through a fantastic weekend. Your presence was very warm for our heart, and I thank you so much for still being so many of the public here. It happens very often that Sunday evening, half of the seats are free and you are all here, and I'm very proud to be able to send the FCI flag to the country, Croatia, who is going to organize the next World Show in 2024. Thank you for nice company, great judges, and fantastic atmosphere at our 2024 Geneva World Show. Yeah, we really appreciate it. Thank you.
The Swiss Kennel Club is handing over the FCI flag to the president of the FCI, Mr. Tamás Jakel.
Ladies and gentlemen, the FCI World Dog Show 2023 soon become a history and goes to the golden book of the history of the FCI. Respect for the breeders, respect for the exhibitors, respect for the handlers, and thank you for the organizing committee. Thank you for those people we've seen every day, and thank you also for those whom we haven't seen but working so hard. If you agree with me, the show was a great success. Show your appreciation. And I'm sure our friend in Croatia will follow the footsteps of this great show. Au revoir, Genève. Dobrodošli u Hrvatsku. It was hard, but thank you, and I'm looking forward to your great show.
The FCI flag is now in the hands of the Croatian Kennel Club, and the president of the Croatian Kennel Club, Mr. Branko Šare, will now invite you personally to Croatia for next year.
Ladies and gentlemen, dear FCI members, it's with a great honor to be standing here today and receiving this FCI flag in the name of our Croatian Kennel Club. First of all, I want to thank the organizers for this successful and well done manifestation. I would like to congratulate all breeders and exhibitors who have participated. Next year, the World Dog Show will be in Zagreb, the main city of my country, Croatia. And I use this opportunity to call all of you to come. Have fun with your dogs and let us to welcome you with the beauties of our country. Thank you.
And Croatia is going to invite you to their World Dog Show 2024 with a short video. and we kindly invite the photographers to take a picture of the Kennel Club representatives with the FCI board members holding the FCI flag. Good luck to the Croatian Kennel Club for next year.